Lunchtime, everybody. It is Saturday. We're making 2 of these Totino's pizzas here, party pizzas, and these pepper jack pretzel bites. Now, it was just me, Cece, Manly, and Jonah here, but Titus just got home. You don't want to touch them? Okay. Oh, you don't like them because they're just frozen. They're not wet, they're frozen. I don't know if he's had lunch yet, though, or not. We'll have to ask him. We've got another pizza in there if we need to put another one in real quick. I saw him with a toothpick, though, so that normally means he just finished eating. Jonah's over here on peanut butter cookie duty. You brought a cookie out? Yeah. Did you bring me one?
No.
Okay, it's fine. So it's about 2 o'clock now. We're coming out to feed the chickens and let the big girls and Roosty out. We didn't let them out this morning because it was raining, so we're gonna come let them out now, clean their coop and their pen. Hello, everybody. Hey, Miss Turkey. You see that turkey egg? The ducks followed Manly in here. He's trying to get the turkey egg. They're trying to beat you to it. You got it?
Yeah.
Ducky's found some chicken feed. There's a dinosaur in the pond. Titus already left again. He was just stopping by for a minute on his way to the next farm. Jacob and Tyler and one of their friends are gone today working for a man, helping him with his yard work and cleaning horse stalls and stuff like that. Today is a good day for fishing, so I'm betting when they get home, they're gonna wanna go fishing. I would even like to go fishing today. I never catch anything, but I just mostly like to sit and watch the kids fish. The tadpoles are getting bigger. It's gonna be a noisy summer.
I know.
Huh?
Agua caliente.
We got a surprise. It was somebody's birthday.
I guess so.
I wonder how many miles that balloon traveled and just fell right down in the yard. It would have really been funny if it was somebody's birthday, right, Manny?
That's not mine.
If it was one of our birthdays and this happy birthday balloon just floated up. We were gonna make fried spaghetti, everybody. Fried spaghetti. We were gonna make fried spaghetti for real, but the sun's shining. Hot dogs and steak, it's happening. We really were gonna fry it too, y'all. It was gonna really be fried spaghetti.
We'll do that tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll make it tomorrow for Sunday supper. I don't know why. Sometimes I do this when I talk. I don't know why. I'd like a number 1.
Oh, excuse me. I got a cow out. Can you come and roping? Looks like you're pretty good with your hands. You're roping yourself.
Once again, homemade ice cream is calling.
It's a good day for it.
It is a good day.
Out there.
Should we start it? I don't know. We always start homemade ice cream so early in the spring, and then by the time like the middle of summer gets here, we're tired of it. I might see if I have some rock salt. Okay, so I guess I can put up the spaghetti until tomorrow, and my skillet's back up. We have some of the corn salad left over and some of these rolls. And he got some more garlic bread when he stopped at the store to get the hot dogs. This fruit that I cut up earlier, I'm just gonna leave it out. We'll have it to go with the hot dogs and steak. We got chicken treats.
Yeah.
We got an extra egg, but it has a crack. Yeah, you can look. Here, chicky. Y'all, me and Manly had a wonderful idea. Our wonderful idea is to put some of this corn salad on a hot dog. That's gonna be great. We also have chicken left over from last night, so I'll actually just go put this on the grill and it can warm up in that bowl. Here, Daddy, can I put this chicken on the grill just to sit it on here to warm it up like that? Okay.
I'll charge you a dime.
Some chicken tenders in there.
Put it on my grill for free.
Okay, thanks.
I'm gonna take this thing in my red arrow.
Okay.
Daddy said he needs that plate one day.
Oh, he'll need it one day? Okay. Purple one. Feather fixer. Ours got good. No, they got good feathers, but I just thought that was neat. Mealworms, beetles, and flies. Little treats. Oh, quack snacks. Happy hoppers. Oh, dried grasshoppers. Okay, y'all, it's a little while later. Kitchen is clean. People are taking turns getting ready for bed. We didn't have any rock salt to make homemade ice cream. We're gonna make some strawberry milkshakes in here. Well, it's kind of like, they're gonna kind of be like the Strawberry Frappuccinos at Starbucks. First, we just put ice cream, vanilla ice cream. We have the Bunny Nesquik strawberry syrup. The kids always call this the bunny kind. Okay, Jonah's washing the strawberries. This should make at least 2 of them. I'm gonna put in 4 strawberries. Let's see, get about 8 cubes of ice to put in here. Okay, there's the ice. Now, Jonah, pour the milk all the way up to the top of the ice. There you go, that's good. Yes, you press the milkshake. Do you want strawberry or vanilla, Manny?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, okay. To make it really look like the Starbucks one, you can take some of this syrup and kind of put it around your cup like that. Then you pour in the rest. There you go. Then you put whipped cream on top, and that is it. Strawberries and cream Frappuccino.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's good, Jonah. That was perfect. Sissy's gonna do hers, Manny, and then I'll make you a vanilla one.
I'm gonna make it. I'm a mason maker.
You're an amazing maker? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get the ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah, you put ice cream in it. I bet Tyler will want a vanilla
And I
one.
will try the ice cream.
So for the vanilla, we just do the ice cream, ice, and milk.
Milk too?
Let's see,
Now
we
I
might
can
need to
press
get-
it?
Yep, hang on, let me put the top on. Now you can press it.